everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I look different. We are going to be talking about Avatar, Book 1 water, anything waterbending related, and we are going to be doing this eyeshadow look. I did not include a hair tutorial because this hair is falling apart as we speak. Whoopee. We're going to channel our inner Katara. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos just like this and for book 2, 3, and 4 of the series. So we're going to do all the elements. Let's get started. Welcome to the new setup. So today we're going to be playing with some blues, which is super fun. Blue is my favorite color. It makes up like 90% of my wardrobe. We're going to be talking about the show a little bit. I, of course, rewatched it on Netflix. So we're going to be doing Book 1 Water today. And I will be delving into the Strawberry Dream palette by Lunar Beauty. And it's a color palette. And we're only going into 2 shades. So we're going to go into Haze with my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. I didn't realize until watching the show again that Sokka was so sexist in the beginning. But I kind of understand why he was the way that he was, because males in the water tribes are typically the protector. The master at the end of book 1 would not even teach Katara because she was a girl. I mean, he learns to respect women more when he starts falling for them, like multiple of them throughout the show. I think Katara is so pretty, and she kind of embodied everything that I wanted to aspire to look like and be like, because I just love people with light eyes. That's kind of my type. She was very mom-like, she was very caring, and she was very calm, and I personally wanted colored contacts, and I already wear contacts as it is because I'm blind. As we all know, the last Airbender movie, the live-action movie, has been on Netflix for a while now. Every time I try to watch it, I can't fully watch it because it's just so bad. I just get frustrated that they didn't even cast as many Asian stars as they should have, considering that this is very much influenced by Asian culture. And this just goes back to one of the speeches that I wrote when I was on speech team in high school, because I'm a nerd. And I talked about Asian representation in media and how it's just not there and it's just not present. And there has been movies and shows counteracting that. So like Fresh Off the Boat, Crazy Rich Asians, To All the Boys I Loved Before, and then diffuse it upwards with my Morphe M433 brush. What's really great about water is that they have healing properties. That's kind of what I'm studying / my personality. I would probably be a waterbender. Throughout, especially the first season, Aang exhibits a lot of childish behavior, and that's kind of expected. We get introduced to Jet. Jet is like your typical bad boy. So of course the good girl Katara would quote unquote fall for someone like that. And then of course at the finale of book 1 Water, we have Princess Yue, who was so stunning. Like, if she didn't start the platinum hair trend, then I don't know who did. Like, can you imagine me with platinum hair? That's really hard to achieve in real life, which makes me big sad, because it's just really hard to dye my hair in general, and I kind of look like an Oompa Loompa half the time. And now I'm going to talk about some things that I learned in my Buddhism class. This isn't going to be all religious-y, like I'm not trying to convert anyone because I don't even practice the religion. These are just ideas, these are just very broad. Everything that I learned was really interesting, and I saw considerable amount of parallels to the show. And then after that, we're going to go in with our pinky with blue diamond and just shower that all over the lid, upwards to the crease. So then it'll look really wet. It'll look very water-like. So the first big idea that I noticed during one particular episode was skill and means. And basically what that is when you use other ways to guide someone to a higher teaching. I'm saying this in my own words, so please don't quote me on that. The episode where there was the fortune teller and the volcano erupting, how people would only listen to the fortune teller, who actually said that the volcano was not erupting when in reality it was going to. And no one would believe Aang and the gang. Because the fortune teller reads the clouds, they altered the clouds themselves. Only then did the people believe what they were saying. And there's this story of a burning house where a man had to basically say that he had rewards and gifts and toys because these children wouldn't leave that burning house. I'm gonna go in with haze with my Real Techniques accent brush and put that on my lower lash line. When Aang visits the guru was talking a lot about concentration and breathing, which kind of frustrated Aang, which reminds me of a story that we learned, the life of Milarepa. Milarepa was a pupil to Marpa, who was the master, and Marpa would tell Milarepa to build all these towers, but then when he wasn't even done, he would tell them to tear it down, and he got really frustrated. I'm literally sweating so much. It's getting hot. I could water bend my sweat like Katara did in the other season. Dipping into the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. I kind of got inspiration from Bato from the Water Tribe, who did similar markings on their foreheads. A dot and then a line above the crease. Throughout the other seasons, they introduced the swamp people. So what they did was bend water in the vines, and then there was that like big monster. And then there was also the blood bending woman. She was so scary. We're made up of however many percent of water. It's a lot. And this is the finished look. I attempted to do some Katara hair. I obviously do not do hair, I do makeup. And this is probably why I didn't pursue cosmetology school, because they teach you hair anyways. It kind of looks like I have sideburns. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. I hope you enjoyed it, and get ready for Book 2 Earth coming soon. See ya!